We've got the beautiful sunrise and some hairstyles to get through. It's a syndicate at night. Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, am I excited for this video. I love doing a little hairstyle video, and this video has this many hairstyles, which will be perfect for summer and will just up your outfit game a little bit, because I feel like when you have a cute hairstyle with your outfit, it just brings the whole thing together. I don't want to keep this intro too long, so let's just get straight into it. The first hairstyle is the classic hair clip trend thing. This is how I usually do mine. So you want a low ponytail, make sure all the hair is tucked behind your ears. Because it's a summery one and not a sleek one, I'm going to keep my front pieces out because I always feel like they look quite pretty. And I'm going to twist it around my finger and point it upwards and just clip it. And it's literally that simple. Cool. And this has been one of my go-to hairstyles so far this summer, because especially on a greasy day you can just kind of throw it up and it's just out of your way and it's really cute and comfortable, and it's just like please get back early, head out with champagne and dresses. This second hairstyle is a little bit more complicated. So you're going to need a hairbrush. Grab a hairbrush. First of all, you just want to put your hair in a ponytail, any sort of ponytail you like. Get girly. I just always feel like this is just the best type ponytail personally for me. I usually take a bobby pin and hook it into my hair so that it holds my ponytail up a bit. I have these little colourful hair bubbles and I like using these for this hairstyle because they just add a little bit of spice. I feel like the Grinch. Spice. It's been a long morning. And so I'm going to go yellow first. Wrap it around my hair twice, like that. Pull it out. And you just keep pulling it out until you get it how you want. Please get back early. But if you've got a comb like this, use this to create the partings on your head. And so what you're going to do is you're going to run a bobby pin. I'm going to take it from the top of my ear and run it upwards. And just scrape that hair back. And then obviously do it on the other side. And this is the final look. Dresses and let's get girly. Here's some booze for your teenage ground. Now you can take this into another hairstyle. For the next hairstyle, what you want to do is you want to take the pigtails but put them so that they're pointing backwards down your head rather than out to the sides. So it's more backwards like that. Take this side. Okay, so finally I managed to do it. From here you just plait. Running from home to globe like. And this is how it turned out. Blood hounds from 10 till 6 a.m. For this one I want to take quite a lot of my fringe out. I've got my bobby pin, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to about here on my head and scrape it down to here where I'm going to put my finger. Then I'm going to take my bobby pin and I'm going to draw a diagonal line then to my ear and pull all of this out. Then you take the pin, you take it back from your ear and you go up, which you can bring right up to the top of your head and put into a ponytail. Twist it like this and just spin it up onto your head, making it quite loose so you've got room to pull it about. Then you take your bobby pin and you just pin the end of it so that it's just like this and you look a little bit wild. Use as many pins as you need to pin it in position. Yeah, like that. And then what you're going to do is obviously you're just going to do it to the other side. And no one knows how to stop them. The next hairstyle is quite easy. I just often forget how I do it. So you want it parted down the middle and take that parting all the way down the back of the pieces of hair that you want out the front and just sweep them into your eyes so that you can't see anything whilst you're doing this. And then you're going to take the front section of hair and take this bit here and twist them around each other. This is when you then pick up more hair into each twist. And just continue twisting them around each other until the whole side of hair has been collected. I'm actually going to start again, but start at the top of my head. When you get to this stage, what you want to do is you want to make sure you've got the parting kind of roughly even, and you want to take all of the hair that's on this side now and just then pigtail it off. The smaller the pieces of hair you use for this one, the better it will come out. I love this. Like, I can't tell you how much I love this.
The one who's gone, no worries. Please get back early.
For this one, you're going to need, again, 2 hair bubbles. I'm going to get my clear elastics out. Starting about my temple and coming about down here. My clear elastics aren't very stretchy, or else I would use a clear elastic to do this tiny bit of hair at the top. They look a little bit uneven at the moment, but I hope I can fix that. Why whenever I film this video is it really hot? It's probably because I'm sat in the sun, actually. That would make a lot of sense. So I'm going to take my clear elastic and I'm going to create a bubble like we did with the other hairstyle. So I'd advise starting higher up than you actually want the bubble. And then when you pull it out, it will move down to where you want the bubble. So it's like that. And obviously you do it on the other side too. So this is it. I would do this pigtail probably a bit bigger next time, or on a different place on my head, because it's really If you need help taking these out, I just figured out how. I got a hairpin, hooked it into it and just pulled it down, and it takes it out without getting hair wrapped around it. Okay, so the next hairstyle, first of all, you need to put it into a ponytail.
Please get back early.
When it's like this, then what you want to do, you want to create a little gap here with your fingers, and then you take your fingers, pull it through with a gap and tighten. So you have this really cute little ponytail, and honestly, such a vibe. I love it.
Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and put the bell notifications on to get notified every time I upload. These are the few of my favourite videos to film, as I love finding new hairstyles, and also I really like the setup of sitting near the window and it glowing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in next week's video. I hope I gave you some inspo for your summer hairstyles.